I've seen that you guys like my cooking video, so I'm back to my cooking video. Today we'll be making some people that might know this lasagna. As you know, yeah, lasagna originated from Italy, and we got this box from Tesco, and it says made in Italy. But we're gonna make our own one instead of having to use Italian flavors. But if you are Italian, yeah, give it a like and subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you can be updated for more future videos. Anyway, let's get started. Alright guys, what I'm going to do first here is I'm going to cut like the potatoes and carrots in small pieces, I think. So,
yeah, small pieces.
Yeah. Okay, alright guys, so you know, the carrots here, it was fine for me to cut, so I was good at cutting the carrots here, but I did actually need help by cutting the potatoes since it was too big. So yeah. Anyway, that's the first step. Now let's move on to the second step. Guys, next, it's the second step, yeah, we're gonna get our frying pan here, yeah, and we're going to get oil. So let's put some oil in it.
Not too much.
That's it. Okay guys, now the next step, yeah, what you want to do is get out your garlic here, and you're going to put them in the stove. And then after, I think you put onions or green chili, I'm not sure.
Put the onions in.
Yeah. I never made Italian. You can see that now I'm stirring this.
That smells lovely, Ridwan.
Yeah, and maybe we might add salt next.
So we're gonna add some salt and the green chilies.
Yeah, hopefully soon I might get to go to Italy. Italy.
Italy, yeah. Yeah, I want to go there too one day.
Yeah. Is it green chilies next?
Yeah, the green chilies.
Okay.
Not the peppers, just the green chilies. Now the salt.
Guys, this is an optional thing. You know, for the green chilies, yeah, it's optional, so you can either add it or not, but we add it so much because since we love chili stuff, we like spicy things. So yeah, we're gonna put this thing in the oven, and we're going to let it preheat, you know what I mean? So
no, yeah. we don't put the onions in the oven yet. We're gonna preheat the oven by itself.
Oh
yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
It looks good one.
It looks, I don't know how to describe it, but I'm gonna add it in the stove, right?
So what is that?
I don't know, it's the tuna?
Yeah, tuna.
So slimy.
Yeah, move the spoon from the thing.
Okay. Ooh!
Careful.
Wipe your hands down.
Yeah. Just like it. Okay, we're done. What are you doing now?
Oh, okay, I just put the tuna in, so what you want to do is mix it well, so yeah.
What was it like?
Hello! There we go.
Okay, go, we're done mixing.
I don't mind mixing that, but emoji.
No! Chef Inaya, what's the next step? Spice.
Mommy, chef?
Okay, Ridwan, chef, add the spices, please.
Okay.
That's curry powder. Spread it out. But is that your favorite?
Yeah, because I always add a lot.
And you love
Here we have peppers.
Peppers.
Here we have turmeric.
Turmeric. No, wait, that's not turmeric, that's cumin powder.
Oh. Or whatever.
What's this one? Can you guess?
Garam salala.
No, it's not that.
Whatever, I don't care.
It's not
coriander.
that. Yeah, coriander.
Okay, whatever. Omi, are you going to, Mama, are you going to be the video?
No way.
Well, we just showed your face.
Oh no.
Remember in the other shot?
No
so
way.
yeah.
Oh, with fried cheese.
We're going to add the tomato sauce. Look, you put too much.
No, we need all of that.
Oh well, whatever.
It's 1 tin. Why do you keep saying whatever?
Well, because it's my favorite word, okay?
I thought it was, you know what I mean?
Yeah, but who cares, so? Guys, if you didn't notice yet, I have a cousin who likes lasagnas. Her name is Nazia. So Nazia, cousin Nazia, if you're watching this year, be sure to give it a like, because I know that you love lasagnas so much.
And you're gonna make it for her after lockdown.
Yeah, she even likes the Italian version as well. Guys, next we're going to add the carrots, and then we'll add the peppers.
The green peppers.
Yes, the green peppers.
Peppers.
Ooh, oh my god, the stove is hot now.
You cut them really nicely, well done.
Yeah.
Well, say thank you at least.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, add the green peppers.
By the way, guys, you know when it comes to like making it, yeah, make sure you keep it on a medium gas. So yeah. So after we've done this, yeah, we're going to get out the potatoes and we'll put it in. So let me just give them a stir.
Okay, add the potatoes now.
Yeah. Here's the potatoes. You just saw in the beginning.
So you want to give it a good mix?
Yeah. Okay, guys. Alright, now we just mix it well. Yeah, we're going to cover it up now, and we'll just leave it on to be covered. So yeah.
To let the vegetables get soft.
Yeah. Okay, guys. Next. So if you're wondering why we got this pan up here, we're going to make another one. So
We're going to make the white sauce.
Yeah, the white sauce. So first of all, get out your butter. Ooh, look at that, guys. So after you add the butter, yeah, it should be melting. After it does melt, yeah, what you're going to do next is you're gonna get out your flour, yeah. You're gonna put in 4 spoons in it, and this is our flour right here.
So add 4 spoons of plain flour.
Alright, guys. So we just added the salt, yeah. So just to not let it burn, yeah, we're gonna add milk.
That's enough. That's enough. Yeah, we didn't add salt. Remember, we added flour.
Alright, guys. After you add the milk, it should look like this, yeah. So let's go back to our lasagna.
First, turn the other one off. We're going to turn that off.
Okay. So we just got it here. Now we're going to you're gonna get out your spoon, yeah. You're gonna like put it in there like a thin air.
Just leave it in there. You're going to mix it around. Just
Next, we're going to add this, and if you're wondering where we got this, yeah, we got it from Aldi, from the shop. So yeah,
what is it called?
Aldi, the shop.
No, what's the thing called? It's a white sauce.
Yeah, it's the white sauce.
For lasagna.
For lasagna. Yeah.
So you want to put it there and spread it out, okay?
Yeah.
So add some more. Add some more first.
Okay, guys. Next, we're going to add the lasagna sheet right here. So we're going to add it on top.
No. From the corners, no.
Oh.
Add it from the corners.
Alright, guys. Now we're gonna repeat this again.
We're gonna add some more filling for the second layer.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we just add all the lasagna thing in there. So, and we just spread it out. So we're going to do the same like what you just saw like earlier. So yeah.
So get all the white sauce out of that and spread it out.
Okay, alright guys, so you're gonna do the same. So we're going to put it like this.
Yeah, in the corners, in the tray as well. Yeah.
Ridwan,
you don't want to get the paste.
There. So remember this pan, yeah? So what we're going to do is that you're going to get it to this table, yeah, and you're gonna put it on top of the lasagna. Okay guys, we just put all the cheese in. Now I'm gonna get my dad or mom to put it in the oven. So let's do it. Alright guys, we just brought our lasagna out of the oven. So it looks so scrumptious and I'm excited to eat this. So So guys, make this at home. It's very easy. It's not the most hardest cook ever, you know what I mean? So if you like this video, yeah, make sure you give it a like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for more future video. Alright, bye and assalamu alaikum.